guys, welcome back. Now I've got a wonderful handy tip on how to remove your oven door. So it's got easy access to get in there and clean it. So I can normally clean mine about 3 times a year, so every 4 months or so, and that just cleans all that out. But you want to take this off, 1 to get in, and 2 is just all the debris falls inside here and inside the glass, and there's like runs of different bits of food that's fallen through. So let me show you how to take it off. Right, I've put a blanket down on the floor, so when I take it actually off and lay it on the floor, it's got something nice and soft to lie on. Right, so we open the oven door and we have 2 clips either side, one here and one here, and all we're going to do, I'll do it this way so you can see, is 1 clip there and 1 clip there, just in a little bit, then hold either side, and it just, it's easy as that. So put it onto the blanket, and then either side there is a little clip. Now some of them, they actually have a little screw, but these are just pressed in, but you can't press them in because obviously you want it all secure. So I've got a little spoon here which matches this, or you could use a screwdriver as well to press, a flat-headed screwdriver. So you could just push that in and this pops out. And you do exactly the same the other side. Same again this side, push in. So now that we've taken our little catches off, this comes off really easy. Next, the glass now is just being held in by these 2 little catches down at the bottom, so we just lift up and pull that out, and we'll put that to the side. Then we've got another little glass insert here, and now we can go ahead and we can clean both sides on there, there and there. So now we're going to put everything back together, and it's the way that we took it off. So the glass goes in here, and it just has the 2 little slots either side there, and then that just rests on here. So that's that one. Told you it's really easy. And then the next bit is here. Now these, they just slot into these 2 edges there. One there and one there. And then we just need to put the top back on. Easy as we did it before. We're just going to pop the one side on, that's it, and you just make sure that that won't come out whatsoever, because safety is most important. So now we just need to put the door back on. So now, as easy as it came off is how we're going to put it back. So into the holes, lay it down, put the 2 little clips up, and that is what's holding the oven door in. It won't come out now, but make sure that you've completely put these in, and then job done. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you've enjoyed the video and you've learned something new. If you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and then don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next video.